China's world's longest cross-sea bridge, which cost US $17.4 billion and took 9 years to build, immediately attracted global attention after it opened to traffic. Known as one of the 7 wonders of the world, it is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge connecting Hong Kong, Zhuhai and Macau. It is also the cross-sea bridge with the longest mileage, the most investment, and the most difficult construction in the world's construction history. The bridge is 34 miles long. It adopts the architectural form of a trinity of bridge, island, and tunnel. The main bridge is 18 miles long. The bridge deck is 108 feet wide. The total paved area is 0.27 square miles. The bridge deck is constructed according to the 2-way 6-lane highway standard. The navigation bridge and tunnel can accommodate oil tankers with a capacity of 100,000 tons in the near future and 300,000 tons in the long term. It is particularly worth mentioning that the level of safety of the entire bridge is unique worldwide. The bridge is designed to have a service life of 120 years. Not only can it withstand a magnitude 8 earthquake and a magnitude 16 typhoon, it can also withstand the catastrophic floods that occur once in 300 years at the Pearl River estuary. Such a magnificent and safe beam, perhaps only China, a country known as the infrastructure madman in the world, can build it. Thumbs up for the amazing Chinese bridge.